In this video, you will learn how to close Google AdSense account. First, sign in. Sign into your Google AdSense account. Open Google AdSense website and log in to your account using your credentials. Then, go to your account settings. In the left-hand menu, click on Accounts, then select Account Settings. Find the Cancel Account option. Scroll down to find the Cancel Account section. Select. Click on the option to begin the account closure process. Review the terms and conditions. Google will prompt you with information about what will happen if you close your account, such as the loss of access to earnings, data, and review this carefully. Confirm account closure. If you really want to close your Google account, confirm the decision by clicking Cancel Account. You may be asked to enter a reason for closing your account. Wait for confirmation. Google will process the closure, and you will receive an email confirming that your AdSense account has been successfully closed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.